ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kalidikin College Lingbaga Career and Counselling Cell hapo ajang Chief Minister Youth Development Scheme araja arpulai klapinlong iko workshop halokapang tackling unemployment reviving indigenous local livelihood nakabenta ki khna ajang kaneka college yakani program na pinlong hapo college auditorium mendaga sngi ka phundro trip lober araja arpusau padhagari ke sngi lawan ajing Hikai duru shampang Dr. S. Maxwell Lingdo ubulang counselor and career expert member Jonga District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission East Khasi Hills Jonga Sarkar Jilla Dr. S. Maxwell Lingdo hakani ke sngi ulakaran halokapang jonga jingbam yok kam yok jam jogi khenna what hapdeng mikla pendap yaga jing puli jongki kimshimla yok kam.
When we're looking at unemployment, the term unemployment refers to a state in which an individual actively seeks employment but is unsuccessful. So this is a normal trend. This is something that happens very often. Okay. Let me take you to the background of Northeast India. Now you may be wondering, why am I talking about Northeast India? I was told that there are a lot of you coming from different parts of Northeast. Is it true? Yes, you come from different parts of Northeast. And unemployment is something that's not happening only here. Like I said, it's happening all over the country and in different parts of Northeast India. So let's look at Northeast. Employment is a key parameter of development, and employment is an important aspect to understand the growth phenomena of the economy that I've stated earlier. And since independence, removing unemployment has been a major challenge for the Indian economy. So let's look at the statistics. So I took total number of respondents, okay, from all different states, 17th each, okay. Most of the parents are involved with the government sector or with private sector, but they're not doing these traditional livelihoods anymore. Second state, Assam, 40% said no and 60% said yes. Okay, so in Assam we have a high percentage where parents are still involved in traditional local livelihoods. They're there. So I've mentioned in every slide, these are the traditional local livelihoods and many more. Okay, I'm not able to list all, but they're there. Okay, from stone to sand quarrying to dry fish to tobacco, etc., etc. So here there is this lady. She was in ancient Confluence. She is a goldsmith. Who's a goldsmith? Now, every time I show you all of these pictures, I do not intend to say, leave your BSc now and go and make gold. You can think of a business. Get an expert. I know you will not be able to do this.
Topic kabanga kren mentaga sngi ki khna hni Kalidikin College kade reviving tackling unemployment, reviving indigenous local livelihoods in Meghalaya. Kabomod ba habangi pet ya ka unemployment kata ka jing bom yo kam yo jam jang ki khna ka jing do kam jang ki khna let's say ilaban pet from unemployment in a from a point of view ba ki khna kim yo kam or underemployment ba ki khna ki la don ka degree tang ba kim la ban yo ka kam ka be de kat kum ka degree ka jom ki te hang yang kran chipang gini ki traditional local livelihoods ka bamod ba ngila ban shim ye kani ka jing trade jong kini ki kam jong kabangidon ha kya imlang ka sa lang ka jongi kabaki long term ki jongi ki department jongi ki bala kila hikai yangi kumno bangin training kata ki kam ki ja ki baper habangi ong traditional here ka bamut ba ka bade bat ka tradition ka jongi ka jinglong kata ka culture ka jongi te let's say kala bande ha ka rukom bangi khai khtum mo kala let's say kala bande ha ka rukom ka ba shnakhiyo kala bande ha ka rukom ka bangi ridok ha ngiri snyang kala bande ha ka rukom ka bangi shet kita ki khasi snacks ne ki jing shet ki jing bam ka disha ki khasi te kini baro ki eki ba Donkam bha bangin continue bat kani ka generation ka bamenta kini ki khna ki bamenta namar ba bone kini ki khna he kim tip sho kita ki sap ki phong le se kala bande ha ka rukom ban than jan ban than ki jain sem ban ki nara ki dhara ba kom ta ta but ki bon cha kini ki nuksa ki bangala ban ai te bon ki kini ki khna ki jongi kam don sho kata ka jingya ka jing pentebet ka baki yo na ki kme ki kpa ka baki yo na ki kme e ki kpa e ki mama ki bahayeng hasem ki jong ki but ki sngo ba ka jing don ka qualification ka jing nang ka jing start ka jong ki sngo ba kim don kam shu ban tri kum ki jat kam te hakani ka kani ka jing akran ba man ta ka si ba ki khna ka long ba le sing ila ban pe ka kum ka wena ka lat ka lenti bangin ya trail byang ngin ya revive byang ngin ya sei byang ki jing nang ki jing start ki jing tibet jong kum ki tribals bangila bangin continue bangin yo ya kata ka employment ka yo ka kum ka lat ka yo kam yo jam namar ba ladang ila shu apalat ne ki kam sokar hoi ka sarkar ka ila le e bon banzang ki vocational training banzang ki training ba pher hanre le se ka wena ka lat ka long ba ngin zdang ke e ka bangi don ha ka long yeng ka jongi ka rampe yeng ka jongi le se ki bon nga ju lap ki khna ki bon na ki om ba ki nang ban khem namar ba ki lai i ba ki mama ki jong ki le ki mena me san jong ki le ki me e jong ki le tampa ki le ran bakin long nong khem namar ba ki la nang la sta le se ki ne ki e ka la poi ka por bangin change no ekani ka mindset ka kom perkhat jong ki khna namar ba ladangi yai beteng sa bangin chu up sai ka kam sarkar le se ka nginum poi she te ka ne bangin pe hi ki lat ki bad ki lat yo kam yo jam ki badon hi yeng asem jongi kala long ka badon kam hado kata ya kulishibon